Here we come to the elevators at the Interdisciplinary Life Sciences Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. These are ThyssenKrupp with Aurora fixtures. These are quite tall too. YouTube user Storm C has filmed this before, so I figured I'd film it as well. Flush mounted COP, nice. Lantern on the side of the door jamb, nice. I want to see that one more time. Wow. Dual indicators. I'm gonna send this up to 2 and we'll get the other elevator car. Interesting that it's got a flush mounted COP. I don't think I've ever seen that on a ThyssenKrupp Aurora before, or any ThyssenKrupp elevator. Also, I have not seen Aurora fixtures in quite a while, so I'm glad I had the chance. This is a perfect chance for me to film this. All right, here's this elevator car right here. Ooh, it serves a penthouse. It's locked. Oh, it didn't ring. Watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.